Today I'm going to show you how to make gluten-free lemon drizzle cupcakes. For the cupcakes you will need 175 grams of gluten-free self-raising flour, 175 grams of margarine or butter, 175 grams of caster sugar, 3 eggs and 2 lemons, which you need the zest of both lemons and the juice of one. To start with, to your caster sugar add your margarine and cream together until well combined. Then add your eggs and mix. And then you want to add the zest of the 2 lemons and give it a good mix. And then you want to juice one of the lemons you've just zested and add this and give it a good mix. Then add your gluten-free self-raising flour and give it a mix until it's well combined and you have a nice batter. Then to a pre-lined cupcake tray with cupcake cases, you simply want to spoon your mixture into each cupcake case. And bake in a preheated oven at gas mark 5, 170 degrees fan assisted or 190 degrees centigrade for 18 to 22 minutes or until a skewer comes out clean. Then for the drizzle you will need 75 grams of granulated sugar and the juice of the lemon that you previously zested. So you want to juice the lemon and then simply add the lemon juice to the sugar, give it a mix until well combined. And then to the top of each cupcake you just want to put a couple of holes in to allow the drizzle to go through into the cupcakes, and simply put a spoon of your drizzle on top of each cupcake. And then for your buttercream you will need 200 grams of icing sugar, 90 grams of butter and approximately 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. So to your icing sugar add your butter, and you want to make sure that your butter is room temperature, and using a fork you want to mash your butter into your icing sugar as much as you possibly can do. So if you have a stand mixer, you can just add your butter and icing sugar into the stand mixer and mix until it's combined. I wouldn't recommend using a hand mixer just because icing sugar has a tendency to just go everywhere. But if you have neither, then this is the way that I would recommend doing it, which is just mashing that butter into your icing sugar as much as you possibly can do. And that's why I said to make sure your butter is room temperature, because if it is straight out of the fridge, it's very hard to mash in. And then once as combined as you can possibly get it, you want to start adding in your lemon juice a little bit at a time. So you probably won't need all of your lemon juice. So like I say, just a little bit at a time until you have the consistency of buttercream that you want. If you add too much lemon juice and you find that it's too watery, add icing sugar until it is the right consistency. And then I put my buttercream into a piping bag with a piping tip and simply piped on top of each of the cupcakes. However, if you don't have piping bags, you can just spread it on top if you want. And there you have it. That's how you make gluten-free lemon drizzle cupcakes.